Welcome to Calm TV. Stay calm and live life. We made it to our room. 5139. Let's see what it looks like in here. Have to do a little wristband check to get in. Okay. Okay, it's really nice. You come over and to your left is the bathroom. Okay, we got the sink. They got us some body lotion right here. Oh, look how cute I look today. Outfit check. Don't mind the pink. I got my swimsuit underneath. I had to be wolfed out in the leopard print today. Nice sized bathroom. It's big. Okay. Nope, automatic automatic lights. Okay, they got some conditioner and shower gel for us. It's a little crusty up there. A little rusty. Okay. Nice tub. Okay. Lots of towels for us. Of course, you got the toilet. Nice sized bathroom. It's big. Okay, let's go on in. Ooh, another sink right here. So we can hook up our food. Ooh, got the paw print up there. Okay, this is nice. Got this refrigerator, a little mini fridge. They didn't clean that out too well either. Little dirt stains up in there. Okay. Towels, but you see how long this hall is. You see where we came in at. Okay, now let's go on this way. Okay, here's a bedroom. Nice size, big old bedroom over here. We got a big old bed. And another big old bed. Ooh, big old TV. Yes. Nice closet space. Got some cabinets up here. What? Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is gonna be my bed right here, right above the howling wolf, because I'm a wolf. Extra pillows and towels and blankets. Okay. Alright, put this here because I'm about to claim this bed. That's my bed. Alright, let's go to the other bedroom. This is the master bedroom right here. It's the master. Oh, yeah, we don't have a window in this bedroom. No window. Okay, but the master has a window. And we might take the master. Then look. And then we have, oh yeah, you can see the water park, the outside water park in this room. Ooh. Shoot, we might take this bedroom. Got our own bathroom in here. With the shower. I like this. Yeah. Paw print. Body lotion. This is nice. Okay. Want this room, huh?
No, I'm good. Go look at the view.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take the master. We'll think about it. Okay, and this is our big old living room, you guys. Big old living room. We got us a big old nice wraparound couch, little trunk for the table, another little chair right here. That could become a bedroom. Then we got it says, welcome Kay Leonard. It's my mama's birthday, y'all. This is her birthday vacay. Yes. Little desk here. Look. This window is fogged up though. See, that could be your bed right there, Miles. But you can't sleep in here by yourself. But you know, that's pretty much a bed just your size. Okay. You having a good time. There's a lot of space in here to move around and have some fun, huh? Yeah. You're lime green. Okay. Fun with the chairs and stuff. Yeah. I'm glad we got here. This was good. There you go. Look at your room. You got a big room. Look how spacious this room is, man. You got plenty of room to run around in here, too. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, it's good. This is nice and spacious for us. This is good. It's perfect. Hey, you got plenty of room to walk around in here. I like it. You giving a nice little tour. Yeah, go in this one. He giving us a tour. Yeah, Miles, give us a tour. Okay.
Watch him in there.
I know. You can't be in the bathroom too long. I don't want you in the toilet because you closed the door on the other one. Yeah, this room not spacious. Okay, yep. Oh yeah, you gotta go this way. You gotta see what's over here, huh? You didn't get to see what's over here. Yeah, that's the front door. You can't go out. You sure that's is it locked that way? Can't tell which way it's locked. Don't want you to open the door. He's trying to open the door. Look.
Another door.
Look, Miles. Go this way.
Look.
Go this way. You didn't finish the tour. You didn't finish the tour. There you go. Give us a nice tour now. Be like, this is the bathroom. It's huge, huh? Try to close the door now. You gotta wash your fingers.
Okay.
Alright, come back out. Got to see what the bathroom looks like. It's very spacious in here. Look, nice mirror. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, let's see where else Miles is taking us. He didn't saw the whole thing now. He enjoyed the living room. Okay, now he got to test out this couch. Yeah, you got to test out this couch. Oh, yeah. The trunk. It's acting as a coffee table. Yeah, you gave us a nice tour, man. Thank you for the tour of the room.
They don't have no services here.
Now get up on the chair.
They don't have no services here.
Okay, well, that's the end of the tour, you guys. It says, welcome Kay, Leonard, and family. That's your grandma, your grandmother. Welcoming us all. All right. All right. That's the end of the tour. Thank you, Miles, for the tour. Thank you for giving us a tour of the room. All right. And signing out. Miles Leonard signing out. See ya. ate Oreo milkshake. It's so good too.
Much better.
Delicious. The shake's kicking. Yum. Every time I come to Red Robin, I'll never get this. But I'll be wanting to get it because I always get food. But I didn't need food today. I just need dessert. So good. I'm here with my wolf pack. Woo! Let's go, dogs. Let's go, wolf. I'm the leader of this pack. Woo! I told you I'm the leader of the pack. I got my wolf ears on now. Woo! There's lightning bugs down there. See them? Like lightning bugs. See, they're lighting up. The pool area is empty. It's closed. Everybody's sleeping. All the wolves are in their dens. All the wolves are in their dens. They even got a fire pit down there. See? There's like a fire pit. It's a party down there. And there's a stadium back there. Big old stadium. Look at that fire go. And remember to always be uniquely, beautifully you. This is Courtney Larrett May signing out. See you later.